Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download Windows ISO from Microsoft official website. So let's start. First, you need to open your web browser and in the search bar you need to type download Windows, whatever version you want to download. I will download Windows 10, so I will type download Windows 10. As I search for download Windows 10, a variety of websites come. I have to simply choose the microsoft.com website. The first website shown, download Windows 10 disk image. I have to choose that website of microsoft.com. On clicking the first link, I will be redirected to Microsoft official website. Now you can see there is an option of update now, and below there is another option of create Windows 10 installation media. If you want to update your Windows 10, then you can click on update now. It will help you to update the latest version of Windows 10. And if you want to download the ISO of Windows 10, then you have to click on the second option, that is download tool now. On clicking download tool now, the tool will be downloaded in your download folder. You can see that the media creation tool is downloaded, and now what you need to do is you need to right click on it and run it as administrator. On clicking it as run as administrator, it will start the Windows 10 setup. It might take little time. It also depend upon your internet connection. First it is getting few things ready, and after that you will see the license page. Simply you have to accept the license and move forward. Again it might take little time. After that you will see what do you want to do. It is asking whether you want to upgrade this PC now or you want to create an ISO file. If you want to upgrade this PC now, then you have to click on the first option, and if you want the ISO file to be downloaded in your PC, then you have to choose the second option. As we want the ISO file, so we will click on the second option, and then we will click the next button. As you click the next button, it will ask us to select the language, architecture and edition. As my use the recommended option for this PC option is checked, so it automatically selects the language, edition and architecture. If you want to change it, you simply uncheck the option. Now I will click on the next button. On clicking on the next option, it asks me choose which media to use. If you want your ISO to be downloaded in USB drive, then you simply choose the first option. And if you only want the ISO to be downloaded in your PC, then you choose the second option. When you choose the first option, it will automatically boot your pen drive. But if you want to download the ISO and later you want to boot it, then you can choose the second option. I will choose the second option. If you want, you can choose the first option. Now it will ask for the location where you want to save the ISO. I want to save it in the F drive, so I will choose local disk F. Wherever you want, you can select that folder and save your ISO file. After selecting the location, you will see that your Windows 10 ISO file has started downloading. It will take a quite good amount of time. On completing the Windows 10 download, you will see the ISO file in your folder. Now if you want, you can create a bootable pen drive to install Windows in other system, or if you want to install Windows 10 on the same system, then you can watch my video how to install it without using a bootable pen drive. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching the video.